And welcome to Finding God and Gourmet. I'm Miley Andrus-Price, and I wanted to talk a little bit on how to make your kitchen a sacred space. There are so many ways to do it, and one way is to use what you have. That may seem a little odd, but I believe that there is nothing wasted in God's universe. And so since God doesn't waste anything, I don't think we should either. And so this recipe is an example of how I used up what I had. I had a pumpkin from Thanksgiving, and this is December 7th today, and my pumpkin needs to be used. And I had some half used Brie that really needed to be used as well. And so I just cut off a little bit of the hard part of the Brie, and I fit it into the pumpkin. You'll see in a minute. So I just want to encourage you to make your kitchen a sacred space by using what you have. And I hope you enjoy it, and I will continue to make more videos on this topic. Other ways of making your kitchen a sacred space is to be mindful and be present and be joyful and have gratitude. So I hope you enjoy this, and drop me a line. Give me a little message on YouTube or my website. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, aloha.